Welcome to the Historical Highlight channel. Today, we're journeying into the past, to ancient China, to explore one of the oldest and most complex civilizations in the world, the Shang civilization. This is a journey that transports us back more than 3,500 years, to a time when ancient China was in its formative stages. The Shang civilization, also known as the Shang dynasty, reigned in the central and eastern regions of present-day China from approximately 1600 to 1046 BCE. During this era, the Shang civilization saw the emergence of China's first complex writing system. They also achieved significant cultural and technological advancements that continued to impact Chinese history. The Shang script, predominantly inscribed on small bronze objects, bones, and turtle shells for divination purposes, represents one of the earliest and most complex writing systems in history. Some of these artifacts, known as oracle bones, offer the only reliable insights into the language and culture of this ancient epic. The Shang period is renowned for its advanced bronze technology. Employing intricate casting and rotation techniques, Shang artisans crafted bronze objects with highly detailed and mesmerizing designs that were utilized in ceremonies and music. The Shang civilization also imparts significant knowledge about religious beliefs and rites. They worshipped a supreme deity known as Shangdi or Lord Shang, associated with the afterlife and communication with benevolent spirits. The Shang culture held a strong embrace for art and music. Paintings, sculptures, and other artistic creations of the Shang period reveal the advanced artistic skills of the era. The Shang civilization's advancements weren't confined to culture and art, they also made remarkable progress in areas such as agricultural management, urban construction, and social organization development. The Shang civilization is one of the pillars of Chinese culture. Despite over 3,000 years passing, its influence remains evident in Chinese culture, language, and art. This remarkable heritage continues to profoundly shape modern China and the world. To be continued. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. Join us here at Historical Highlight, where history is brought to life.